Hello. Question is given here as asked by you. In a simple pendulum, the relation of time period with length and acceleration due to gravity is to be established. So say here a pendulum is connected here and its mass is m. So we have to establish tension is T. We have to establish the relation here. Length is L and attached with this one OA. OA is the length. So to establish the relation among T, L and G, let us consider the time period T is directly proportional to L to the power A, G to the power B, where G is the acceleration due to gravity. So we can write here weight is mg. Now we write here T is equal to some constant K, L to the power A, G to the power B. Now by dimensional analysis, just taking the dimensional formula on both sides, so we can write here dimension of time period as or m to the power 0, L to the power 0, T to the power 1. Dimension, its unit is second, equal to K, and K is given already as 2 pi. We put here 2 pi dimensionless, and dimension of L length is again m to the power 0, L to the power 1, T to the power 0 to the power A, and multiply dimensional formula of acceleration due to gravity, again m to the power 0, L, T to the power minus 2, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 2 whole ka power T, B. Now comparing the dimension on both sides, so we can again write here m to the power 0, L to the power 0, T to the power 1 equal to 2 pi, and here power is added for m. So m to the power 0 multiply A, and m to the power 0, 0 multiply B to 0, so m to the power 0. Now L to the power 1 multiply A, to L to the power A, and here L to the power B, to A plus B, L to the power A plus B, and T to the power 0 into A, 0, and minus 2B, T to the power minus 2B we put here. So comparing, we can write here comparing power of m LT on both sides, on both sides. So we get here A plus B is equal to 0. L to the power A plus B in right side, and left hand side L to the power 0, and minus 2B is equal to 1. This implies that B is equal to minus 1 by 2. So from this we can get A is equal to 1 by 2. So I write here A is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to minus 1 by 2. So in this way we get the relation among T, L and G as T equal to, I write here T equal to t equal to 2 pi L to the power a. So L to the power a value 1 by 2 and g to the power b, and b का value here minus 1 by 2. So relation we get as 2 pi under root L upon c. This is the solution.